How to fix the Muzz dating app not working. First, you need to head over to settings, then go to general, and then go to iPhone storage. From here, try to find the Muzz app. It's right here, and now click offload app. Now this will deinstall the app, but it will keep all of the data. And then try to install the app again. If that doesn't work, delete Muzz and download it again. This will also install any new updates if there were any. Now, if none of these work, make sure that you use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. So let's turn off Wi-Fi. Let's turn on cellular data. And this is because some broadband providers' parental controls block access to Muzz. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.